Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Maready. I run a medical practice in Arizona called Forte Wellbeing. We offer internal medicine and wellness services. Thank you, Saybrook, for sending me a demo here. I'm excited to open this. It is a luxurious mix of memory foam, microfiber, and gel beads. Let's check it out. They even have instructions here. So we're going to unpackage everything. Feels really soft. It's going to take a while to inflate, so we might have to come back a little bit after it gets a chance to puff up a little bit. All right, we let the pillow fluff up for 24 hours. And here it is. My goal is to have my neck in perfect alignment when I'm laying on my back, and then also checking to see what the alignment is when I'm laying on my side. So it feels pretty firm, and I think that my head is, or my neck is not in alignment. All right, so I emptied a bunch of foam into the carrying case. All right, so let's check it and see what it looks like. So that actually feels pretty good. I feel like my neck's in alignment. My head's kind of where I like it to be on my back. And if I end up laying on my side, that feels pretty good too. So I'm gonna do a few nights on this and then we'll come back. Okay, I took a couple weeks to sleep on this and I got everything adjusted, so it works really well now for me. I haven't been able to find any other pillow that lets me get my neck in alignment the way this does. The personalization, the fill, being able to fill that up at the right place really makes a difference. Great pillow, really recommend it, and really appreciate Saybrook sending me the pillow so I could demo this. So thank you, Saybrook.